Welcome back, everyone. For today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Doordash face scan not working. First thing you need to do is to check your app if it's running in the latest version. Go to your app store and search for the Doordash app. Now check if there's a notification that you need to update the app. After doing that, try to clear the cache out of the app. To do that, go to your device settings. In the Settings app, tap on General. Then tap iPhone Storage. In here, navigate to the Doordash application. Then click on it. Now click the Offload app. Then click again the Offload app in the pop-up to confirm. After that, wait for a few seconds and then click the Reinstall app to re-download. After doing that, try to use the app if the problem is now fixed. But if not, then try to completely delete the app and reinstall it on the App Store. By doing this, it should be able to fix the problem.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.